everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do this red eye look that I think is very suitable for Christmas and is the only Christmas look that I'll be doing. We'll start off with my foundation. It's the Fit Me foundation. You guys have seen me use this so many times. I absolutely love it and I like to apply it using a wet beauty blender. Mine's currently broken, as you can see. I need a new one. Anyways. Once you've got the foundation on, we're going to apply our concealer. I'm just using my LA Pro concealer. Now we're going to powder down. I'm using my Ben Nye powder as usual. You guys have seen me use this so many times, and I also apply it with the same wet beauty blender. Now we're going to shape my eyebrows. I'm just using the Benefit Kapow brows. These are amazing. I love it. It's very, very fine, and so it's really easy to draw the individual hairs. And I'm just setting it with the same brow gel from Benefit. Moving on to the eyes, so I'm just going to take a eyeshadow base, and this one is from L'Oreal. It is a beautiful rich burgundy color, and this is one of those eye paints that I talked about in my favorites video. I'm just going to use that to sort of amplify the colors that we're going to use on top. I'm going to use my Australis palette, which I also raved about, and using a fluffy brush we're going to apply that to the transition area of our eyelid. I'm going to take a deeper reddy brown color, and then I'm just going to take a crease brush and apply that into the crease in windshield wiping motions. And just blend the edges out using a fluffy brush. I'm going to take an even more reddy brown color, very terracotta color, and then I'm just going to apply that again into the crease, sort of layering it over the color we just applied, and this will create the appearance of a deeper crease. And then underneath I'm just going to apply a mid-tone orangey brown color just to create a soft hazy smoky look. You guys know I love doing this. And then I'm just going to take another sort of lighter shade to blend that out. Now applying a peach eyeliner onto our waterline to brighten the whole look, and then I'm going to pack this beautiful cranberry shimmery shade onto our lids, and I'm just using my contact lens solution to create a more foiled metallic look. How gorgeous is that? I love it, love it, love it. And then just blend the edges with the crease brush that we used earlier. I'm going to create a three-dimensional shape by just applying a highlight onto the middle of our eyelids. I'm going to mix these two light shades. I'm going to apply it in the inner corner tear ducts. And then that's pretty much the whole look done. I'm just going to curl our lashes now, and I'm going to apply my eyeliner. I'm just using an Essence eyeliner, which is super cheap and affordable. I'm just going to apply our mascara. This one I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lashes, and I'm just using Demi Wispy's eyelashes today, which I think are really complimenting. I'm using the Gorgeous Cosmetics blush palette. I'm using a more cool tone pink, which I think will look really nicely with this look. And apply a bronzer. This one is the Urban Decay Naked Bronzer. And then I'm using my favorite highlighter at the moment, which is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. It's such a beautiful metallic highlighter, and I can't believe it's from the drugstore. It's so good, you guys. I'm going to spray it all down so we don't look super powdery. And then I'm just going to reapply that highlighter for the extra shimmeriness. Moving on to lips, I'm using my Auburn lip liner from NYX. And then for lipstick, I'm using the Milani liquid lip, and this one is in Emotion, and this is like a dark red burgundy color. If you apply it very lightly, you can see the red tones a lot better. Obviously, the more that you layer it, the darker it becomes. So that is it, you guys. That is my finished look. It's gonna be my go-to Christmas look for this year. I obviously love wearing red eye looks. I think it's very, very festive, and I think it is quite flattering for a lot of skin tones. So I hope you guys try it out. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it. If you do give this look a go, please tag me. I would love to see your pictures. If you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.